Hey guys, so it's been quite a long time on this particular series, and I will admit that this camera angle that I have chosen for the first two parts of this video, which are thankfully only about a minute and a half each, is not the best. It was just the highest up little section that I had at the time that I thought would be the most use to allow me to draw. It turns out that it wasn't. I do realise this, so I apologise, it does get better. Anyway, what we are doing is the cat's having a fight. That's what they're doing. So, what are we doing today? Today, we are returning to the Create a World series. I looked at the map and I kind of figured out here that I didn't have everything that I needed on the map. So, you remember many moons ago we went through the, what key areas do you want on your continent, and make sure to draw those in on the map. I didn't follow my own advice, and so therefore we didn't have some of the key features that we needed to have on this map. I do need to draw some more islands because there's a section in the briefing about islands. There was the Moradel city that is obviously connected to the main island of Branwen, continent of Branwen, through a bridge. A giant bridge, I would like to add, which we've just finished drawing here, that really needed to be put in because it's a key feature. I haven't yet drawn in Damnu either. There is just literally Game, and that's the only city. However, the reason I decided to do this time around and have a short little video of us doing some more inking in is from what we actually draw in this video, we can decide where we're actually going from there. So this little island that is currently, there we go, I think I figured it out. This island here is a kind of like England is. However, I have never really figured out what the hell this island was. I just didn't want it to be one giant landmass, if that makes any sense. I figured having another larger island as well as loads of small islands as we make them up would be a better idea. So we have to come up with what that island is now. And so I start drawing the forest. I haven't as well. There is Drachnafane that has not been included on this map and probably won't be included on this map because it's a forest that moves. So we will probably end up later on in the series drawing a map of Drachnafane Forest and detailing the people and places within the forest itself, because while the forest moves, the people and stuff like that inside of it don't. So there's that. The other thing that we're going to do in this series next is we are actually going to detail some of the people of the Starfall Council, because obviously they are still part of Game and we're still working on Game's stuff because it needs to be done. So next in the series is going to be how do you build your characters, your ruling characters, and we're going to go through Game and who the ruling class is. I say ruling class because obviously you've got other people there that are quite important. You need to decide who is in control of your cities. Game is obviously, it's got the Starfall Council which controls everything on Branwen, but Damnu has its own king. And so does the dwarves, technically. So they are members of the Starfall Council, though the Beggar's King never turns up in Game because he thinks it's a city of reprobates, I believe is what everyone calls his city, so he calls Game the city of reprobates. So yep, I then go on to a different place which works hopefully a lot better, and we're working on the mountain ranges and lakes. So I am thinking of putting some tiny little villages and towns into this particular area because I like the idea, and we will get round to that as well. But anyway, I think I'm going to leave my talk here, seeing as we are nearly finished. I do hope that you've enjoyed this brief little map video. This is over an hour's worth of drawing because I am terrible at drawing fast on these apparently, so I apologise. But I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Take care, have fun, and goodbye.